These days, health is top of mind for everyone for obvious reasons. So you may be wondering if you should max out the contributions to your HSA. Or you may be wondering, Kerrie, what's an HSA and do I need one? Let's break it down because an HSA could have a positive effect on your financial health. HSA stands for Health Savings Account, and you could put money into this account and then deduct those contributions from your taxes. Then, if you have a health issue, you can withdraw those funds without having to pay taxes on those withdrawals as long as you're using the money for medical expenses. If you don't spend the money, it rolls over into the following year. So, how do you get an HSA account? There are two ways to open an HSA. Your employer may offer an HSA and even contribute to it or match a percentage of your contributions. Or you can open one yourself with a bank, credit union, or an institution that serves as an HSA trustee. But there's one stipulation with both. You must participate in a high deductible health insurance plan. This year, the deductible needs to be $1,400 or more for an individual or $2,800 or more for a family. HSAs can help you save in three ways. First, you can fund it through pre-tax payroll or deduct it on your federal taxes. Second, you don't get taxed on interest, dividends, or capital gains on that account. And if you need money from your HSA for health expenses, you can withdraw it without getting taxed. And if your employer also contributes to your HSA, that's even more money you can save towards medical expenses. This year, you can contribute a maximum of $3,600 for an individual or $7,200 for a family. If you can make the maximum contributions, go for it. Unlike a flexible savings account, the money in your HSA will accumulate year over year if you don't use it. But before you make the maximum contributions to your health savings account, take a look at your financial health to figure out how much you can contribute. You'll want to look at your budget, your expenses, and your debt so you don't overextend yourself. If you're young, put in 50 or 100 each month and let it grow. It can't hurt, and it can really help later on if the unexpected happens, okay? That's it for HSAs, what they are, why you may want one. I hope this helps, and if you like this video, please share it, like it, and follow us for more videos that can help your credit and finances stay in great shape.